Hi, today we have a great new recipe for you, Malabar Style Chicken Korma. A delicious tender cooked chicken curry in a coconut and cashew nut based gravy. Not only is this curry delicious, but it's also really simple to make. Here's a list of the ingredients. For the detailed recipe and complete list of ingredients and measurements, please visit the link in the description. First, marinate the chicken with turmeric and salt and set aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, prepare the dry ground spice mixture. Warm all the spices in a dry pan till aromatic, and then grind to a powder. Set aside. We also prepare a ginger garlic paste. Grind the ginger and garlic together to a smooth paste and set aside as well. Now we prepare the coconut paste. Grind the ingredients for the coconut paste, which are fresh grated coconut, cashew nuts, poppy seeds, and green chili. Grind these to a smooth paste, adding just enough water to get a smooth texture. Set aside. When it's time to cook, add oil to a heavy based pot. Add the chopped onion and saute well, stirring continuously till golden brown for 2 to 3 minutes. Like this. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and stir continuously till aromatic and well incorporated. Make sure not to burn the garlic and the ginger to the bottom of the pan. Now add the marinated chicken and another teaspoon of salt. Stir fry with a wooden ladle along with the onion, garlic, and ginger mixture till the chicken is well coated and turns white all over. There should be no more pink. Like this. To this, add the coconut paste and stir to combine. Cook till the oil separates and appears on top, like this. At this point, add the ground spice mixture and combine. Also add the chopped tomatoes and stir to combine. Once the chicken is nicely coated with all the ingredients, add half of the water and stir well. Then add the remaining water. Add 2 to 5 whole green chilies according to taste. Bring to a simmer. Never boil this curry. Avoid a rolling boil at all times. Remove the lid occasionally and allow the accumulated water vapor to drip off without falling into the korma. I believe this causes the curry to spoil faster. Lastly, add some chopped coriander into the korma and also garnish with some extra chopped coriander leaves. Your delicious Malabar Style Chicken Korma is ready. We hope you enjoyed our video. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Happy cooking!